Hi, this is Joe from This Isn't Fine and Cursive Technology. And what you see in this video is OpenAI's operator or computer using agent attempting to write in Moodle learning management system where Cursive plugin is installed. Now, it's getting tripped up in ways that I didn't expect, which is trying to paste text into the text editor interface. Normal students would just be able to paste or obviously use a keyboard in order to do their writing for assessment. In this case, there doesn't appear to be a virtual keyboard provided by the operator at this time, so it's not able to test. In our exploration of Claude as a computer using agent, it was actually able to leverage a keyboard and input text key by key, but we are able to effectively screen for that as well. In this case, the OpenAI agent not able to meet the same level of text input complexity that Claude is. Now, it's getting caught here in our diff feature. It's going to pop up as basically all highlighted because it's not attributed to actual writing process. So if you know your students a little bit, should be easy, really, really easy in this case to identify agent use versus the student's normal writing process. Thanks.